We are unboxing the Hori wireless fighting commander Octa Pro. Wow, that's a long title. This is why I consider one of the best fight pads on the market today. So right now, as you can see, the packaging is a nice square box that has a little cover. So let's get this open. So pulling out, the first thing you'll notice is how light the Octa Pro is, even with the internal battery. It's got a wider, flatter profile than a standard pad, which is perfect for the claw style grip many people use in fighting games. The plastic has a nice matte texture as well. It's not too slippery. So the one thing I care about is the feel, the button feel of the face buttons and the sound. So let's talk about that. That's kind of the star of the show. The buttons, these are micro switch face buttons. Click the buttons. You can hear it in the mic. You'll hear that there's a mechanical click. It's short. They also feel very similar to a high-end mouse click. So overall, I would say the quality feels premium where it counts the inputs. I haven't tested it out in game yet, but for a dedicated pad for 2D fighters or 3D fighters, this initial feel is very promising. And I think going forward, it'll be a nice replacement for the Razer Ryan that came out a few years ago that's now discontinued.